YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Justin, or OV Update, back again with another video. And today we're going to be getting into the entire NOCTA collection. Now I know you guys may be just a little bit tired of the NOCTA content, but the main focus in today's video is to give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions of the collection. Should you be dropping the money to go grab these items? Should you wait? Should you even buy the next drop? We're gonna get into the details. We're also gonna talk about some things that you haven't seen on other YouTube videos or on Instagram. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. So as you guys can see, I got my hands on quite a bit of the collection. We got lots of stuff in this box here, some pants, socks, as well as the hat. So I am gonna start from the smallest item to the biggest item, which is gonna be that jacket. We got lots to talk about on that jacket. So I managed to grab both of these socks from Livestock. Came in these nice dust bags. So taking the socks out of the dust bag, here is the white pair. Comes in the baby blue packaging, of course. Retail on these were 34 Canadian dollars, not too bad at all. You get 3 of those bad boys. And here are the black pair. Let me know which ones you like more. Again, that same baby blue packaging, same $34 retail price. So let's crack these open. Of course, this is for my personal collection. Definitely can't go wrong with having more socks. So here they are. We got AWR, all wrongs reserved on the heel, as well as this logo in fully embroidered, very nice. And actually what some of you guys may not have noticed is that the other pair says copyleft CL, so they are different. And then we just have the NOCTA along the toes. So this is it for the NOCTA socks. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you picked up a pair for yourself. Very versatile, very clean, will go with a lot of shoes, and of course the full NOCTA collection. So it's kind of mandatory, and the light just went out. So that is it for the socks. Let me know if you picked up a pair for yourself. Can't go wrong with another pair of fresh socks. Alright, and moving right along, we have the gloves up next. I know a lot of people were going crazy for these. Personally, I was not a huge fan of the gloves, kind of basic and not really that wearable, but I know a lot of people still want to have these in the collection. So let's take these out of the plastic and get up close. Check out all the details. We got that silver Nike swoosh. Again, with all the padding, these are football gloves. Here on the inside, we have that rubberized material. Again, the branding, as you can see, is not too crazy, other than this NOCTA logo right here. On the side, you have the subtle detailing right there as well. One side of the gloves does say AWR, trying to get it in the light right there. And of course the other side says CL, so copyleft and all wrongs reserved. But other than that, that is it for the gloves. Very clean, very basic. Again, the gloves aren't for me. I wouldn't be wearing these. I don't play football, but they are a cool, unique item to have. Honestly, I much prefer both of these gloves right here than the NOCTA set itself, especially for $94. Definitely very expensive. And I know they're going for quite a bit on StockX. I can't believe, honestly, how many people are that crazy for this set of gloves right here. The packaging is pretty cool, again, with the NOCTA logo, baby blue. And these are called the Super Bad gloves. I'm pretty sure there's a yellow set to these as well. Not too sure if those are releasing, but stay on the lookout in the next drop. All right, so let's get into some of the heavy hitters, man. We got the hat taken out of the dust bag. We got the clean black hat from the front, and on the side, we got the Nike check in the orangey yellow, as well as the NOCTA on the other side. So honestly, on the photos, on the videos, it looked like a harder shell hat. It kind of looked like it had more structure to it, but when I saw it in person, it really is just like a dry fit regular Nike hat. As you can see, no construction to the hat whatsoever. So I guess if you're running or working out, this is good to have. But honestly, just as like a hat with your outfit or like day to day, personally, I wouldn't be rocking it. So honestly, for the hat, it's definitely not going to be staying in my collection for long. Definitely going to pass this along to someone who's going to get actual use out of it. Now, retail on this was $38. I guess you could say it was pretty decent. Also, I want to note that there's no CL or AWR logoing on the hat, but there is this pretty cool tag on the inside. It says in association with NOCTA. Definitely a nice little detail on the inside, but other than that, very basic. Swoosh on one side, NOCTA on the other. The quality of the actual swoosh is really nice though. It's kind of like that rubberized material. Same with this NOCTA logo. Got that rubbery feel. Really nice. Also, the brim got that detailing on the front. So that is it for the hat. Let's get on to the pants. So right here is my favorite item from the collection, more than the jacket, more than the hoodies, more than the socks. We have the pants. Now this is actually my second pair because I've actually gotten 2 and I ordered one from Capsule, and I've been wearing these ones so much. I'm gonna flip the camera around and get into all the details, and honestly probably my new favorite pair of pants. Alright guys, so here are the pants themselves. As you can see, we We got that nice rubberized swoosh right there, along with the 3M piping in yellow that goes all the way down. And of course, one of my favorite parts, these zip up pockets. Also the hit of the hang tag, as well as this logoing with the rubberized material. Very, very good quality. Here's the tagging right there, Nike in association with NOCTA in the baby blue. We got the drawstrings as well. Then we got the NOCTA again in that rubberized material on the pant leg. And then on the backs we have CL and AWR again in that rubberized material. So honestly, the pants I've been wearing almost every single day since I did get them, and I can tell you they're 100% worth the price, 160 Canadian dollars. After tax, I think it was 130 before. Definitely worth it. It is very thick and heavyweight material. Definitely not no cheap shit being used on the pants, and I could say that for the hoodie as well. The sweatsuit is definitely the best things in the collection when it comes down to wearability and durability. So enough waiting around, let's hop straight into the holy grail, which is the jacket. So here is the jacket coming in this huge plastic bag. As you can see, we got the black colorway. In my opinion, the black is the best out of the black and the yellow, but that baby blue, I'm coming for you. I need that jacket in my collection. So after taking the bag out of the jacket, we got a few pieces of paper so nothing sticks together, and boom, here it is. I need to stand back for this one. The official NOCTA jacket feels really, really nice in hand, guys. Honestly, I'm surprised. The material on this is way, way better than I thought. So starting things off, we got the nice swoosh right there. We got the hang tag coming in at $480 Canadian. And then we got the NOCTA in that 3M. And of course, the staple of the jacket, we got the back with the fully embossed Nike swoosh. Very, very nice. So here is the back of the jacket. As you can see, we also have the CL and AWR on the bottom in 3M. Also take a look at these pockets. Very, very nice. The zipper is crazy good quality. Unzipping it now, just getting a feel for the zippers. Very, very nice. Here's the same tag that we've seen on the pants as well. And the inside, plain black, nothing in here. Other than this small pocket right here, you can store your phone or your wallet. Right here on the cuffs, we got AWR in very, very small writing. And as you guys already saw coming, we got CL on the other side. Also, something I didn't really notice was the tag right here on the actual back of the hood. It says NOCTA right here on this little flip hang tag. So now that we are on the topic of the jacket, we got to talk about the yellow one and how it stains and changes color in the rain. Honestly, they should have given everyone a heads up saying, yo, don't wear this in the rain, because it does change color. Very, very unfortunate. I do wish it was waterproof, especially when you pay $500 for this thing. Definitely have to check the weather before you wear this jacket. But the funny thing is, this is a very warm jacket, 800 goose downfill, so it is a very warm jacket. And on that note, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Let me know if you picked up anything from the collection down below. I'm sure you guys cashed out and went just as crazy. This is the first of many drops. We're gonna have drop 2, drop 3, I'm sure, coming up in the future, 2021. So stay on the lookout for those videos coming up very soon. I hope you did enjoy today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. And without further ado, y'all, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.